How to fix the issue where your personal hotspot is grayed out on your iPhone 17. Now I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. So first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings. You can then try turning on airplane mode, waiting around 15 seconds and then turning airplane mode off. This will just go and refresh the settings, and sometimes just doing this will turn the personal hotspot on. Now if it's still not working, come back over to the main settings page. Make sure mobile data is turned on like this. Underneath SIMs, go and select your SIM card. Scroll down to data roaming and make sure this is turned on. And then you can come back over to the previous window. You can then try clicking on personal hotspot and you can check to see if you can now turn it on. If it's still not working, come back over to the main settings page. Scroll down and click on screen time and then scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure content and privacy restrictions are turned off like you see here. You can then check back on the personal hotspot to check if it's still grayed out. Now if it's still not working, then go and click on general, scroll down to the very bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and then just select reset network settings, and you may need to go and enter your passcode, and once you've done that, once again you can check to see if your hotspot is now working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.